Beneath the ocean's serene surface, hidden wonders unfold.
Tonight, we delve into the extraordinary world of a tiny, yet formidable, marine predator.
In these bustling underwater cities, survival demands unique adaptations.
And few are as remarkable as the pistol shrimp, a creature with a truly explosive secret.
Meet the pistol shrimp, also known as the snapping shrimp.
This diminutive crustacean possesses one of the most powerful weapons in the animal kingdom.
Its unique ability has fascinated scientists and terrified its prey for millennia.
Despite its small size, the pistol shrimp is a formidable hunter and defender.
Its weapon isn't a stinger or sharp teeth, but something far more extraordinary.
The secret lies within this incredible appendage. Its specialized snapping claw.
Unlike a regular pincer, this claw features a plunger-like structure and a socket.
When rapidly closed, this mechanism creates an astonishing phenomenon.
The pistol shrimp uses its unique claw for both hunting and defense.
It can strike with incredible speed, stunning its targets instantly.
The dactyl slams into the propus, creating a high-velocity jet.
This jet generates a cavitation bubble, a phenomenon usually associated with propellers.
When this bubble implodes, it unleashes a torrent of energy.
The resulting shockwave is powerful enough to stun or even kill small prey.
A quick and efficient hunting strategy, perfected over millions of years.
But the power of this bubble goes far beyond simple stunning.
The bubble collapse generates immense pressure, incredible heat, and even light. Pressures can reach 80 kilopascals. Temperatures soar to 4,500 degrees Celsius.
And the sound? Over 200 decibels, louder than a rifle shot.
The pistol shrimp's snap is truly one of nature's most extreme phenomena. That tiny bubble is a concentrated packet of destruction.
Researchers like Dr. Thorne are constantly uncovering new details about this sonic weapon.
We've been able to measure the forces involved, and they are astounding.
A transient event, but with monumental impact on anything caught in its path.
It's like having a tiny biological superweapon at your disposal.
The pistol shrimp doesn't just use its power for hunting.
It's also an incredibly effective deterrent against larger threats. The sudden shock and sound are enough to send most predators fleeing.
A tiny sentinel, protecting its home with a sonic blast.
The reverberations of its power extend throughout the local ecosystem.
This creature has adapted to thrive in a competitive environment. Its sonic weapon is a testament to evolution's ingenuity.
Beyond the incredible snap, the pistol shrimp plays a vital role.
It helps maintain the delicate balance of its coral reef habitat.
Some species even form symbiotic relationships, like with the goby fish.
The goby acts as an alert system, warning the pistol shrimp of danger.
The pistol shrimp's precision and power make it a formidable predator in the underwater world.
Its primary weapon isn't a stinger or teeth, but a highly specialized, sonic-powered claw.
This claw is a marvel of biomechanics, capable of generating incredible force with a simple snap.
The pistol shrimp's dactyl snaps shut into a groove, creating a high-speed jet of water. This rapid movement forms a tiny, but incredibly powerful, cavitation bubble.
This bubble expands and then collapses almost immediately, a process known as cavitation.
The implosion of this bubble generates two incredibly destructive forces. First, an intense shock wave, strong enough to stun or kill small prey. This sonic blast can reach temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun.
Secondly, a high-speed jet of water, capable of pulverizing prey.
With its prey incapacitated, the pistol shrimp can easily secure its next meal.
It's an incredibly efficient and powerful hunting strategy, perfected over millennia.
This sonic weapon provides the pistol shrimp with a significant advantage in competitive reef environments.
The pistol shrimp's snap can generate sound waves louder than a jet engine at takeoff.
These intense sonic events are a significant, often overlooked, force in marine ecosystems.
They influence prey distribution, predator behavior, and even the very geology of the reef.
The goby fish, ever vigilant, plays a crucial role in the pistol shrimp's survival.
As a lookout, the goby detects threats the nearly blind pistol shrimp cannot.
A rapid tail flick sends an urgent signal, warning the pistol shrimp of impending danger. The pistol shrimp immediately retreats, relying entirely on its goby partner for safety.
This remarkable symbiosis highlights nature's ingenious solutions for survival and defense.
Once the threat passes, the goby signals safety, and the pistol shrimp may resume its activities.
Together, these two unlikely partners thrive, demonstrating the power of collaboration.
The pistol shrimp, a tiny creature with a devastating sonic weapon, a true marvel of evolution.
Its incredible power continues to inspire scientists and reveal the ocean's hidden wonders.